The police have charged those individuals with 3 counts. One count of cruel to animal, one count of abetment to commit cruel to animal, and one count of cattle theft.
Based on this case, I think people were pointing out from way before the fact that a lot of youth are roaming around the city with these horses that look malnourished. Is that something that authorities would look into, including the police, because you're the ones who bring the charges? And I know that the care of animals factors under the Cruelty to Animals Act.
That is not going to be something the police will be able to look at. It would fall more within the domain of health authority, perhaps maybe even Baha. And I know that they do have a humane society that operates within Belize. I think they can all put their resources together and see what can be done to address those issues. I know for a fact that while we do have these young people who may move around the city on these horses, I think for the most part they do show a great degree of love towards these animals. So perhaps it can just be that they don't have the means to properly care for them. And I think when we experience those circumstances, then the wider society should see what they can do to assist these young men in caring for the horses. Again, I think that if they have a pet or I would still refer to a horse as a pet. If it is that you can show care and empathy towards an animal, that also assists you in terms of your upbringing.